অতি বিনোদ ধরি মাগে राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते 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 गोकुल तारुणी मंडल मयते गोकुल तारुणी मंडल मयते राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते दामोदर रति वर्धन वेते हरिणी स्तुता विपिनेते दामोदर रति वर्धन वेते हरिणी स्तुता विपिनेते ओ राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते सभानुगोधी नवससी लेखे ललिता चके गुण रमित विशाखे सभानुगोधी नवससी लेखे ललिता चके गुण रमित विशाखे ओ राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते करुणां कुरु मयि करुणा भरिते सनातन वर्णित चरिते करुणा कुरु मयि करुणा भरिते सनातन वर्णित चरिते ओ राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते राधे जय जय माधव द्वैते हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम
Hasn't that chair? Because they block the door.
I know,
So you come this way.
On this
You
side.
come here, Prabhu. You come here forward. The chair can put this way. Then you can come. जय श्री सुगंधर विकाग्रधारी श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जीव की जय। जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय। जय नित्य लीला कृष्ण विष्णुपाद कष्टुतर श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण गोस्वामी महाराज की गुरुवर्ग की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। अनंत कोटि
This is better, no? This time, no? Didn't have this table. You didn't see it.
इतना बड़ा टेबल तो दिखाई नहीं पड़ा।
पास में था। बाद में देखा।
You are perfect devotee. And Srimad Bhagavatam gave an example. The 24 gurus of what is his name? Dattatreya Rishi. You know Dattatreya Rishi? 24 gurus. How many gurus have you? 21. इसको बंद कर दो। So among the 24 gurus, one guru's name is called, what is his name?
There's
Who is surfing, who has surfed the, what is called, arrow on the stone.
sharpens the
Surf
arrow
on the arrow. Surf the arrow on the stone. So in the meantime, one big marriage party, you know, Indian marriage party, they are doing many dancing, singing, many kinds of drum, and also music, very loud. That the marriage party, what is called, and went out. Then one person came, asked that the person who was, what is called,
sharpening the arrow.
surfing the arrow. Have you seen the marriage party? Which direction has gone? The marriage party? I did not see. You did not even know? Look, because his mind completely what?
Concentrate.
Concentrate with the
Sharpening the arrow.
Bole bhakti story as like as a Anangama.
One
Big,
point.
big table here, but he did not see. Tell me how he completely absorbed with Krishna. Uttama Bhagavat. Yeah, bhakti.
सब कुछ बोल रहा है।
बड़ा टेबल पड़ा हुआ है मैंने देखा।
मैं दूसरे टेबल पर ध्यान था। इस टेबल पर ध्यान नहीं सोचा क्या।
ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतुष्टे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare.
So I will little bit short class. Not long class. But my long class is
Your short
short.
class.
You know.
It's our long class and your short class.
No, I try to finish 12 o'clock, then we have to go. Very nice. Today Saturday. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very scientific way, discuss sadhana bhajan in his unprecedented book Bhajan Rahasya Grantha. The Bhajan Rahasya Grantha is very important. Even Bhav Bhakta and ordinary sadhak can also follow this Grantha. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained two kinds of devotee of Lord. One is called Jatarati Sadhak, another is called Ajatarati Sadhak. Remember, Jatarati means roti, in a deep attachment towards Krishna manifested one's heart. That is called Jatarati Sadhak. Understand? Or Ajatarati Sadhak, roti not yet manifested one's heart. That is called Ajatarati Sadhak. But try to understand, here roti means the first stage of Bhavadasha. That is called roti. Deep attachment towards Krishna. Asakti. After asakti, then roti mature, that is called bhav. Or when bhav mature, that is called prem. This is the sequence. Saddha, sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anartha smriti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti. Okay, understand? After asakti, then that is called roti. So that means asakti and bhav, the middle stage, that is called the roti. Understand or no? So jata roti, and before bhav, that is called roti. So roti manifested one's heart, that is called the jata roti sadhak. And so there are 9 external symptoms and 3 internal symptoms of Jatarati sadhak. कितना बोला?
9 plus 3 is 11.
9 external symptoms and 3 internal symptoms of Jatarati sadhak. Chandravarta arattam virakti mana sunnata आशा बंधु समुत्कंठा नाम गाने सदा रुचि असिक्तर गुणानुकरण प्रतित वसति स्थले इत्तुर्जय सुरार्जितो भावंकुरे जने भाव अंकुर. The sprout of bhav, actually that is called the roti. So when this roti, deep attachment, mature, that is called bhav, and when bhav completely matured, that is called the prem. So these are the 9 external symptoms of Jatarati sadhak. Shanti means, Shanti kisu kahte hain?
Peaceful.
Mind is very calm and quiet and peaceful mind. And his mind is never disturbed any material activities. And give an example, Parikshit Maharaj. When Parikshit Maharaj, he heard that after 7 days, the serpent Takshak will come and bite him, then he will die. Then his mind not disturbed. And then he called all sadhu, rishi, munis. They, what will do now? Because he confirmed himself, the 7 days, I will help, I will be, I will be stay in this material world. 7 days, I will not die. After 7 days, I will die. This is confirmed. But we have no confirmation. Any second, any moment, heart attack, then Siaram. Hare Krishna. Huh? So Parikshit Maharaj is very happy also. Then he called all Muni Rishis, Kormi Sadhu, Gyani Sadhu, Jogi Sadhu. Many sadhus they came and they gave instruction to Parikshit Maharaj according to their realization. Kormi sadhus told Parikshit Maharaj, you give some donation, charity, these things. Then you will go heaven. Yogi sadhus, they to meditate to Paramatma, Yog sadhana. And Gyani sadhu, they gave advice to Parikshit Maharaj, you study Vedas, Shastra, and then you can merge in Brahma, Brahma Mukti. But finally, Sukdev Goswami Bhakta Sadhu. Sukdev Goswami Pad, he came, and Sukdev Goswami Pad, he gave the conclusion. What did he say? Slok yaad hai? Etad nirviddhamananam michatam akuto bhayam yoginang abhi nirnitam harir namanu sankirtanam. Sukdev Goswami Pad told, hey Maharaj Parikshit, you listen Bhagavad Kathamritam and chant for me. Bhagavad Nam Katha Sravana Kirtanam. So, Etat Nirviddhamanam Michatam akuto bhayam yoginang abhi nirnitam harir namanu kirtanam. Hari Nam Sankirtan. Here Nam Sankirtan means here, listen Hari Katha, Sravan, Kirtan, Smaran, all these 9 limbs of bhakti included in Hari Nam. People are thinking, why I am chanting holy names? This is only chanting holy, this is Hari Nam. I am listening Hari Katha, this is Hari Nam or not? This is also Hari Nam, belongs to Hari Nam. And you are listening Hari Katha, because there are no difference Hari Nam and Hari Katha. Do you understand? You are listening Hari Katha means also belongs to Lord Sri Hari himself. So now comes the Chanti, Abhartha Kalaktam. Abhartha Kalaktam means he does not waste 1 second, 1 moment and without Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. I mean 24 hours absorbed and Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. When you are sleeping, when you are eating, what is that? Well, also that is also belongs to Krishna Seva. Why you are sleeping? Because you are sleeping for the good health, then your good health, good mind, again you chant more Hari Katha. More chant holy name. So that means those are pure devotees, they are all their external activities also Krishna Seva. Understand? These are things. So no Khantira Pratama Virakti. Virakti means detached from the material sense gratification, enjoying the material sense gratification. Virakti Mana Sunnata. He does not want any name, fame and reputation. Asa Bandho Samutkantha. Asa Bandho. His only one hope, how will attain to Lord, how will receive the one that sprinkle the mercy of Srimati Radhika. That is called Asa Bandhu. Samutkantha. Samutkantha, he is very eager and eagerness coming. When I will direct darshan to Lord, Bhagavad darshan. Samutkantha. And Nama Gane Sada Ruchi. So much taste, glorification, the pastimes of Krishna, Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. So these are the 9 external symptoms of Jatarati Sadha. Or internal 3 symptoms. Bhagavad Prapti Lalasa. His longing, so much greed. And how to attain to Lord. Bhagavad Prapti Lalasa. Anukullamai Chesta. All his endeavors, activities, which are favorable for Krishna Bhakti. And or third, Sauhridya Bhav. So much friendship with the eternal associator of Divine Guru Radha and Krishna. Regular Sauhridya Bhav. Remember. Anugamon, remember or not?
The second one was
Second what? I told third, three.
one
What did he say?
Bhagavad Prapti Lalsa.
Bhagavad Prapti Lalsa,
Second is
अनुकूलमयी चेष्टा और
Sohrid
सौहृद भाव. कितने बार, 1000 बार बोलते रहते, हमारा संग करते रहते, कुछ नहीं करना. Mosquitoes. Just 5 days before I told people are thinking about that. अच्छा नहीं है. So can you remember? When I need one person who travel with me, he also assists to me. Smaranta smarantam. Smaranta means remembrance and remind. This person need. Understand? Otherwise what to do? How to assist? Assistance means usual. To help.
not to.
Need to understand. So, just I also explain these three internal symptoms of Jatarati sadhak. Remember, Bhagavad Prapti Lalsa, Anukullamayi Chesta, or third, Sohridya Bhav. Sohridya Bhav means क्या बोला?
Having so much love and affection for the divine couple of Shri Radha and Krishna.
Sohrid means मित्र. हृद सौहृद हृदय सुहृद शब्द से सौहृद शब्द निकला. क्या बोला? सुहृद माने मित्र, मित्र माने फ्रेंडशिप. So much and friendship, those who are the eternal associate of divine God Radha and Krishna, as like Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Nanda, Jasoda. Understand? They are very close relationship with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna or Srimati Radhika. So that sadhak, he always is what? So much deep attachment. And friendship, those are eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna नित्य परिकरों के साथ मित्रता रखते हैं. यदि किसी के साथ मित्रता रहे, आप क्या करो? If you have friendship with someone, what is the symptom? How do you know? You love him. You have friendship with him. How do you know? You will glorify about him. Understand? Always say, your mouth is full. How to glorify about him. मुख ऐसे भरा रहेगा उनकी कथा बोलने के लिए. ये साधारण symptom होता है. If you love someone, then this is a symptom. If you love to Krishna, then you want to speak about Krishna katha. This is the symptom. This is called general symptom. So now that is called Sohridya Bhav. That means he makes friendship those who are the eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna नित्य परिकरों के साथ सौहृदय भाव रखते हैं. तो कैसे जानेंगे? He has friendship with the eternal associate of Krishna. Then every time he glorify about their sweet pastime. Sirupa Manjari Kararjita Pada Padma Goshandana Bhujar Vidamastaka Ha Mudita Kanaka Guri Padar Vinda Sarvyani Sanaka Istava Kim Karish Raghunath Das Goswami and Bilap Kusmanjali. Hey Rupa Manjari, please give me this service because you are massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Give me this type of service. So these are the called the Jatarati. These are the symptoms of Jatarati sadhak. Remember, don't forget. Those who are the Jatarati sadhak, there are 9 external symptoms and 3 internal symptoms. Maybe again tomorrow we'll ask. Again you will forget, then I will speak. Again I will speaking. I cannot forward more Karikatha. Only the same. This is the whirlpool water. The water of the river not flowing. What is it? One place. This is also another thing because of Venugit. When Krishna played the flute, the water of the Jabuna
stopped to flow.
Whirlpool, not going. I'm not saying. Sukadeva Goswami told, when Krishna played the flute, the water of the Jabuna, Manasiganga, they are not flowing. They are not going up to down. They are just same place, they also are turning whirlpool. But why? because Krishna's Venugit, when the sound of the flute of Govinda, how is it powerful? So saying Nabdas Tata Tadubhadarjo Mukunda Gitam. Mukunda Gitam, the sound of the flute of Govinda. How sweet. For this regard, the water of the Jumuna not flowing. And always they are in the same place and try to touch the lotus feet of Krishna. Paravindavan Vihari Lal. Okay, now coming in this, just I told in this Grantha, two kinds of devotees can study. One is called Jatarati Sadhak, just a minute. Or another Ajatarati Sadhak. Rati not manifested in his heart. That is called the Ajatarati Sadhak. Even neophyte devotees to high class devotee, everybody can read Bhajan Rahasya Grantha. Very beautiful. Actually, the Bhajan Rahasya Grantha, that's a deep part of Harinam Chintamani. Because Bhaktivinoda Thakur, when he chanted holy names in Godrumadhipa, Surabhi Kunja. Have you been? No. You not go? You have seen. Surabhi Kunja. Godrumenita Nanda Mahajan. Pati ache naam hatta jeever karan. Shraddhavan jana he Shraddhavan jana. Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely and sweetly glorify about Surabhi Kunja, where Bhaktivinoda Thakur performed bhajan and sadhana. This Kunja, his name is called Surabhi Kunja. Why call it Surabhi Kunja? Surabhi means the cows. Understand? Because Indra committed lotus feet of Brajavasis. He tried to destroy the Brajdham. Then Indra, he realized of Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, because 7 days, 7 nights Krishna lifted Giriraj, Govardhan with his left hand and small finger. Then Indra realized Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Then after 7 days, Indra completely surrendered the lotus feet of Govinda. But Indra, he did not come alone. He took shelter the lotus feet of Gomata Surabhi Devi. Because Krishna has so much love and affection. And very near and dearest of Surabhi cow. Gomata Surabhi. And then later Krishna also came. Indra. Indra later he came in Navadvip Dham and performed bhajan and sadhan to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu there. And also Surabhi cow is also there. Well, what is the problem of Surabhi? Surabhi, she did not come to the lotus feet of Krishna.
Any offense?
Because Surabhi also he was thinking, oh, I gave shelter to Indra. Indra, he was offender, aparadhi. So for this regard, also
I became offended.
I become offender. Understand? This is her humility. Daina. So for this regard, Surabhi Devi cow and also came in that place and do bhajan and sadhan to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is very merciful. He is called the embodiment munificent and magnanimous. And if anybody offenders, aparadhi, just take shelter, lotus feet Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu destroys all his offenders, aparadhi. So Surabhi Devi also performed bhajan and sadhan in Navadvip Dham. Indra also performed bhajan and sadhan in that place. For this regard, that place is called Surabhi Kunja. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur also chanted holy names in there. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote this Granth, song and glorification of Nityananda Prabhu also. Godrume Nityananda Mahajan Pati ache naam hatta jeever karan. Shraddhavan jana he Shraddhavan jana. Shraddhavan jana he Shraddhavan jana. He Shraddhavan jana. Shraddhavan jana means?
One with faith, or person of faith.
Oh, person of faith.
Deep faith. Yeah.
Deep faith,
Sure.
okay. He Shraddhavan jana. Very carefully listen. Because in this Godrum Dham, Godruma, Go means cow, Surabhi. Drum means, what it means drum? Tree. Little bit learn. Sanskrit. No need, just listen, then you become great Pandit. And understand? And go drum. Go means cow. Go means cow. A drum means tree, पेड़. जिस पेड़ के नीचे इंद्र और सुरभि काव भजन तपस्या किया था, इसलिए उसका नाम हो गया गोद्रुम हो गया. गोद्रुम थी. क्या बोला?
The tree that Indra and the Surabhi cow performed hard penances underneath is called Godrum.
गोद्रुम. So गोद्रुम. गोद्रुम में नित्यानंद महाजन पाती आचे नाम हट जीवेर कारण. Bhakti Vinod Thakur glorified about Harinam and the glorification of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu, he established very nice, beautiful Nam Hatta. Nam Hatta means the market of Harinam. The market of Harinam. In the market of Harinam, what is he doing? He is selling and buying. And if you do market, what is it? Selling and buying. But in this Godrum, Nam Hatta, what kinds of things are buying and selling? Bole Harinam, Nam Sankirtan. Godrum Nityananda Mahajan, Pati Ache Nam Hatta, Jivira Karan. Shraddhavan Jan, he Shraddhavan Jan. He Shraddhavan, and who have found faith, please take Harinam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he is giving his own identification, parichay. Yeah, I am the, what is it called? Jharudar, Nam Hatta Jharudar. Sweeper in the market of Harinam. Understand? India, those who are sweeper, they are very low caste. And people also neglect. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur is very humble. He says, no, I want to become the sweeper of Namhatta, the market of Harinam. When you are sweeping, what things is coming? The dust coming. All the dirt and dust is coming. All gandaki coming. Kachada. Kachada समझते हो?
Rubbish.
Rubbish coming. Well, what is that? That is called all kinds of offenses. Anarthas. Anarthas. Anarthas is unwanted things. How many types of anarthas?
4.
What is the 4? Good. अनर्थ कितने प्रकार की है? How many types of अनर्थ?
नाम अपराध, सेवा अपराध, धाम अपराध,
दुष्कृतित्व अपराध, सुकृतित्व अपराध, और भक्ति उत्तर अपराध एंड सेवा नाम दुष्कृतित्व अपराध, सुकृतित्व अपराध, भक्ति उत्तर अपराध एंड अनर्थस. 4 kinds of anarthas. Anarthas 4 kinds. दुष्कृतित्व अनर्थ, सुकृतित्व अनर्थ और भक्ति उत्थ अनर्थ and aparad uttha anartha. Remember. And 4 kinds of anarthas. And anartha means unwanted things. First, that is called duskriti uttha anartha. That means previous life committed many kinds of sinful activities. For this regard, many kinds of disease, distress and unhappiness coming. That kinds of anartha is called duskrita uttha anartha. Uttha means arise. Arise. Duskrita means bad activities. That means previous life I did many bad karma. So for this regard, that action are coming, I am suffering many kinds of distress and unhappiness and disease, many kinds of things. That is called the duskrita uttha anartha. Understand? Many kinds of incurable disease, durarogya, many kinds of is coming. So for this regard, that kinds of anarthas is called duskrita uttha anartha. Then second, sukriti uttha anartha. Sukriti uttha anartha means su means good. Good works. Well, how possible the sukriti anarthas? or possible this is called anarthas, unwanted things. Because if you previous life did many kinds of charity, donation, that is good karma. That is called dana punna karma. Or there are a lot of wealth, money are coming. For this regard, there are the obstacles of bhajan and sadhana. And how much money have you in your bank balance?
I'm all right in that respect.
For this regard, you have come here. If you are millionaires or is it trillionaires,
1 million is okay.
you will not come to. This is true. Because why? Because you will always you will absorb to how to maintain. And how to maintain your money. This is true. And how to increase more. And always checking what is your profit and loss account, how much money coming and how more and more coming. This is the thing. So this is called the Sukriti Utthana. And understand? Then another is called also Bhakti Utthana. What is that? And Bhakti Utthana, if you practice Bhakti, some also obstacles are coming. There is Bhakti Utthana. What is that? Do you know? If you practice, so many, that is very dangerous. This can love, puja, pradishta, name, fame, reputation will come. If you little bit practice bhakti, then everybody glorifies your
Bhakti.
oh, he's great devotee. And everybody gives so many respect to you. That is also what we call
Obstacles.
obstacles to perform bhajan and sadhana. Understand? That is called love, puja, pradishta. And it comes automatically. Because this is the nature of bhakti. Bhakti के स्वभाव क्या है? Give
Honor, respect.
honor and respect. That is also the bhakti utthana. Or another aparad utthana, committed offences, holy names, that is called nama aparad, seva aparad, dhamma aparad, and vaishnava aparad. 4 kinds of offense aparad. That are called also the obstacles of bhajan and sadhana. Maybe your question will come. So how will I free from bhakti utthana? Because if just I told, if you practice bhakti, all kinds of facility will come. You will get all kinds of facilities. Understand? This is true. So how will do bhajan and sadhana? Then everything is offered to Guru and Krishna. Vishay Vasanam Badi Vinamo. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, if everything is offered to Guru and Krishna, they will not disturb to your bhajan and sadhana. Understand? Everything offered to Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Jat Kurusi, Jat Dosi, Jadasi, Jat Tapasi Kuntya, Tat Kurusa, Mat Arpanam. What you will do? All the fruit of activities you offer to Krishna. Govinda Samarpan. Idam Sarvam Govindam Arpanam. Samarpayit. This is the process. So just I also explain this way. And anarthas, how will free from the anarthas. So now coming in this way, this Bhajan Rasa Grantha can read through parts 2 types of people. One is called Jatarati Sadhak, another is called Ajata Rati Sadhak. Rati not manifested it in one's heart, they call Ajata Rati Sadhak. Shraddha, how to develop our bhajan and sadhana. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur very scientific way, step by step, explain Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prem. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Bhajan Rasa, first chapter name he gave, Nisanta Bhajan Shraddha. What did he say? Nisanta Bhajan Shraddha. Nisanta means one word you can understand. Nisa anta iti nisanta. Nisa means night, dark night. Anta means end. That means end of dark night. That is called that. Then our bhajan will be start. Bhava Buvargo Brahmatu Jada Bhavi Janasata Harchuta Sat Samagamam. Wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death. When your great fortune will come, then you will get the association of sadhu. Or with the association of sadhu, then Shraddha, understand, faith will manifest in your heart. Because without sadhu sangha, any method, then Shraddha will not manifest in your heart. So for the sadhu sangha. Bhakti actual first stage, that is called, what do you say? Sadhu sangha. But we don't want to associate with sadhu. So for but is Shastra saying, no, always associate sadhu. Sadhu sangha, sarva shastri koi, lavamatra sadhu sangha, sarva siddhi hai. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas. And all the scriptures, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, reveal, glorify about the association of sadhu sangha. What is the meaning of sadhu sangha? Bolo.
Following Guru's instructions.
Instruction. And listen Harikatha. If you not listen Harikatha, that is not sadhu sangha. Listen Harikatha means you have to follow. Simple. Follow. So sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha, sarva shastri. Though Rupa Goswami Pad explained Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Adu Shraddha. Adu means in the beginning, faith. But Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in this verse explain Adu Sadhu Sangha. Tatpara Shraddha. And
thereafter.
Understand? So Adu Sadhu Sangha. First you associate sadhu. Listen Hari Katha. And when you listen Hari Katha, then your faith will come. Faith will come. This Shraddha also again two types. One is called Lokik Shraddha, another is called Paramarthik Shraddha. Understand? Lokik Shraddha means worldly faith. And Paramarthik Shraddha, the spiritual faith, what is that? If I will perform bhajan and sadhan, my life will be successful. Many lives I enjoyed all kinds of sense gratification. I never satisfied. And I am suffering the three folds of Maya and struggling whole life. Who is struggling whole life? Raise one hand. Everybody is struggling whole life. 2 hands or 4 hands you have. If you have 4 hands, maybe you will raise 4 hands. Only 2 hands you will raise. So that means is what Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying this. Many lives I suffer all kinds of distant unhappy these things. And never satisfied. Bhavar nove pade mor akula paran kise kul pavatar na pai sandhan. I completely drowning in the ocean of Maya. But if I will get as a sadhu guru, then sadhu guru will give me perfect direction how to attain the beach or soul.
Sure.
Understand?
To safety.
Understand? Sometimes we joke. You are walking, but you don't know which way you will go. And you ask some person. But some cheater person will be also. They give the direction opposite way. Then you will never come back.
You'll be lost.
I will be lost. Just I remember. So after Navadvip Parikrama, we went to Jagannath Puri Parikrama, 5 days. So after Jagannath Parikrama, last day, we have to take darshan to, what is place?
Mahadev. Or the,
No. We have to take darshan to Mahaprabhu's Parikar place. Just I forget. Where the water is sweet. Ganga Devi. Just I forget. Then we asked the people. Then people, they also gave direction to another way. Then 5 kilometers walking. They arrived to Loknath Shiv Mandir. Because there, our plan was not to go to Loknath Shiv Mandir. That's very far, about more than 5 kilometers. So we should just only to take darshan to
This Tilakanga.
that the one well. What is his name? That place. But then we returned back again that place. Actually, that was very close. Only less than 1 kilometer. But another person, he also gave direction to different way. And walking, then Shivji brought Loknath Shivji temple. Okay, no problem. Because I tell you, oh, many years, more than 30 years, I did not go Loknath Shiv. Now Shivji is very merciful. Why I'm saying this is sometimes people also give the wrong direction. So here is saying, no, if you are such a pure sadhu, such a sadhu, then pure sadhu, Suddha Bhakta, Suddha Sadhu will give the perfect direction how to attain to Lord. That is called Sadhu Sangha. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami told this and slokas for the slok. Bhavapo vargo brahmuto jada bhavit janasya taharchuta sat samagama. Bhava apavargo. Bhava means, you understand the Sanskrit little. Bhava means to be, Sanskrit word, to be. Hona. What is the hona? To be means to take birth in this material again and again. That is called also Sanskrit word, that is called bhava. Bhava means to be. What is to be? Again and again take birth in this material world, that is called bhava. Bhava samudra, bhava bhavarna, bhava means again and again take birth in this material. Bhava apavargo. Apavarga means those who are the unwanted things, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. That is called apavarga. That is called chaturvarga. That means conditioned soul wandering in these 4 and unwanted things, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, and wandering, same cycle. And they never release from this maya. And another thing, bha, means is what?
Of pain.
Feeling so much pain. That is called papa, bo, bha. Ma. Varga. Pancham Varga. You little bit learn Sanskrit word, then understand. Pancha Varga. Pa Varga. Pa Varga, Pa Varga. Pa, Ma. Pa, Ba. Bha or Ma. Pa, Ba, Ma. Pa Varga means is what? Parishram. And in this material parishram, they are doing hard work. Let's go Pa Varga. In this material world, the conditional soul, Baddha Jivas, performing hard work. And as like a donkey. Gardhavir mato ami kori parishram. But you know, Thakur saying, and we are performing hard work as like a donkey. But what result is coming? Useless. Nothing. Only last anger, investment, jealousy is coming. Doing hard work or getting stupid nonsense, rascal things. Power going parishram. Or fa means, you know, fa. Fa means we are doing so much hard work, so much foam coming from your mouth. Understand? So much load on your back, you cannot walk. Then the your owner beating. And you look sometimes horse or donkey cannot pull the car. Then load. Then the owner and what is it called? Chabuk dekhe? Whipping. But still doing, but could not do that. Then so much foam coming out from his mouth. That is called foam means foam. Understand? In the same way, conditional soul in this material world, working so hard work. Or Maya Devi bitterly बीटिंग whipping ना क्या बोलते हैं
whipping.
whipping this look this फिर for फिर
Ba.
for bo means व्यथा means so much pain coming लिखो फुल कर दो bo means bo तो इतना समझ बोल रहा क्या बोले इतना धीरे धीरे बोल रहा हूँ तो अपनी समझ में नहीं आ रहा
नहीं समझ में आ रहा है लेकिन क्या शब्द लिखो पा
अरे तो पो माने परिश्रम फो माने फेन बो फो मस्ती में कुछ नहीं है मस्ती में तुम्हारा है लिखो कम से कम ये जरूरी है तुम्हारा दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू पो फो बो हो मो 5 letters how many letters 5 फर्स्ट इज को पावर को पावर को जो पो माने परिश्रम परिश्रम मींस हार्ड
Labor, work.
लेबर वर्क एंडिवर पावर को परिश्रम देखो इन दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड कंडीशनल सोल डूइंग हार्ड वर्क मेंटेन हिज फैमिली वाइफ चिल्ड्रन हस्बैंड सोसाइटी डूइंग हार्ड वर्क देन परिश्रम पावर को और इफ यू डू पावर को देन सो मच
Pain.
home coming coming or not bo means betha later bo Sanskrit word bo means betha means too much pain will come understand po or bo means fear bhoy bhai come भयं द्वितीय अभिनिवेश विषाद पितस्य विपर्य अस्मिति तन्मया तो आवजते गुरुदेवता आत्मा भागवत श्लोक दिस एग्री भयं द्वितीय अभिनिवेशता भ मीन्स भय fear why you fear because you attached with maya भयं द्वितीय अभिनिवेशता सत विपर्य अस्मिति तन्मया तो आवजते गुरुदेवता आत्मा why you afraid from Maya? Because you attached with Maya. Then Maya Devi, she is beating, whipping, whips to us. This is the thing. Not other things. Bhayang Ditya Abhinivishasat. Viporja Asmiti. Then we forget our remembrance. What is your remembrance? Serve to Krishna. कृष्ण सेवा की स्मृति को हम भूल जाते भूल जाते माया भुला देती है क्या बोला
Maya makes you forget about remembrance to Krishna.
You are the servant of Krishna. जीवेर स्वरूप है कृष्ण नित्य दास और you are the servant of Krishna. But when he attached to Maya, कृष्ण भूली सही जीव अनादि बहिर्मुख अतएव माया तेरे संसारी This is the reason, not other things. We serve to Krishna, but we did not serve to Krishna. We turn our face towards Krishna, towards Maya. Maya, oh, you want to enjoy with me? Come here. And Maya is everywhere, bitterly beating. Understand? Very powerful. So Maya will. This is the thing. Bitterly beating. This is the thing. So Krishna fully says you Maya will. Okay. फिर क्या क्या? Po for bo. Po for bo means व्यथा. Pain. व्यथा. Bho means bhoy. Bhoy means fear. Why fear? Because we turn our face from Krishna to Maya. Then bhai comes. So learn this look. Bhayang ditya abhinivishta sat viporja asmiti. Tanmaya to avacham guru devata atma. So how will free from Maya? Then when you completely surrender lotus feet of Guru, Guru Devata Atma. Gurudev, one small book you read. For the book. Guru Devata Atma. This one. So this sloka actually. Bhayang ditya abhinivisasat viporja asmati. Tanmayata budho. Buddha means sober person, intelligent person. What is he doing? The intelligent person. क्या बोला? Intelligent person, what is he doing?
Following Guru's instructions.
Guru Devata Atma. When do you think Gurudev, he is my
Life and soul.
life and soul. Guru Devata Atma. And then he sadhu bhajan and sadhana under guidance of Guru. Then Tate Krishna bhaje kare Guru sevan maya jai chute pai Shri Krishna charan. Tate Krishna bhaje kare Guru sevan. Guru seva, Krishna bhajan. Chant holy names, serve Guru and Krishna. Then slowly Maya
Fall away. You'll
go away.
go away.
Maya चली जाएगी. Maya she will give up to you. Tate Krishna bhaje ke Guru sevan Maya jal shudi pai Shri Krishna charan. Then you get so Krishna bhakti and this way. And so why is coming for this way? Why is coming? Why fear is coming? Because we forgot
To serve
to serve to Krishna.
and Guru.
So now coming to bhai, or pa pho bo bho bhai. Ma means, what does it mean? Ma means mrityu. What did he say? Ma means
Mrityu.
mrityu, death. Death coming. First doing hard work, parishram. Then so much fame coming, Then third, so much pain, betha. Fourth,
Bhai.
Fear.
Fear.
bhai, fear. Or fifth,
Death.
death, mrityu. This conditional soul doing this way. Doing hard work, then one day will die. किसे दे संसारे यही 6 बजी प्राय इहाते ममता करी वृथा दिन जाए हाय हाय नहीं भावी अनित्य सब जीवन विगत गले कोथा रहिबे वैभव. Bhaktivinoda Thakur sing this song, and when you will die, where is my wealth or property? Where is mine? Nothing. When you close your eyes, then everything is your dark. When you close your eyes, you are looking. What is you looking? Nothing. You are looking that. When you close your eyes, you are in the dream. सपना दिखते हैं ना. सपना दिखना है ना. सपना दिखता है. And when you open your eyes, you are not dream. When you close your eyes, that time dreaming. You have something dreaming or not? सपना कौन देखा? आपने सपना देखा कभी? क्या सपना देखा?
आपको देखा गुरुजी.
So now coming, क्या बोला था?
आकाश में उड़ रहे हैं. सपने. What dream?
आकाश में ये और कहाँ से इंटरप्रिटेशन कर दिया?
Ma.
प फ ब भ
Mrityu.
मृत्यु में
Death.
this is the condition. So now we bhavapo vargo brahmato jada bhavis. In this way, wandering the cycle of repeated birth and death. Remember the 4 syllables, 5 syllables. Pa, pha, bha, bha, mo. Parishram, do hard work. Then
Foam.
foam. Then
Pain.
pain, betha. Then
Fear.
fear. Then
Death.
Death.
in this way, all the we are conditioned soul. Wandering in this way, 5 ways. Parishram to death, death to parishram. You understand? And hard work, parishram to death. Then death to hard work.
Hard work.
Coming this way, wandering. Then so कहते भवापो वर्गो भ्रमो तो भ्रवेत जनसत्व हर्षुत सत्समागम. In this way, wandering the cycle of repeated birth and death. When our great fortune will come, Subhagya will come, then we'll get the association of sadhu sangha. And every life you will not get sadhu sangha. And this is very important. Which life you get the association of sadhu, and that life is called the
Perfect.
perfect life and the end of your cycle of birth and death. जिस जन्म में साधु संग हो जाता है वही तुम्हारे अंतम Antim
Jivan.
Janam.
Janam.
This is your last birth. When you get the association with sadhu, sadhu sangha. This way. So saying, Bhava Prabhu Bhavato Janab Jala Bhavet, Janas Satta Harchuta Sat Samagamam. Hey Achyuta, hey Krishna. Krishna name is called Achyuta. What is the meaning of Achyuta?
Infallible.
Infallible. Okay? One who takes shelter, lotus feet of Krishna, who will never
Fall down.
fall down. No me bhakta pranashrati. Very carefully hold the lotus feet of Achyuta Krishna. Very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Nitai Padaka Mala Kati Chandra Susitala Je Chayai Jagato Judai Hano Nitai Bine Bhai Radha Krishna Paite Nai Dida Kari Dhara Nitai Pai. Guru Gandha Goswami sang very nice, sweet. He is saying this way. Dida Kari, very carefully and tightly hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Understand? Baladev Prabhu Nityananda Akhanda Guru Tattva. Nitai Charana Satta Tahara Sevaka Nitta Nitai Pada Sadakara Bhas. Hano Nitai Bine Bhai Radha Krishna Paite Nai. Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu Akhanda Guru Tattva. Understand? Undivided Guru Tattva. And you cannot attain to Divine Guru Radha and Krishna. So, Bhavapu Vargo Brahmato Jara Bhave Janasa Torcha Sat Samagam Sadhu Sangha. So, when you get the session with Sadhu, that life you will end life. And Antim Janam. Antim Janam means
Last life.
last life. So, Sadhu Sangha is very important. Sadhu Sangha means listen Hari Katha. This is very important. Sadhu Sangha Hari Katha. Nam Sankirtan. So now coming in this way, just I also explained Ajata Rati Sadhak. Rati yet not manifested one's heart. That's Sadhak can also practice Bhajan Rashraganta, do Bhajan in Sadhak. So for this regard, I told Je Adu Shraddha. So again I repeat towards Shraddha, two kinds of Shraddha. One is called Lokik Shraddha. Lokik Shraddha means worldly faith. That's called Lokik Shraddha. Or what is the Lokik Shraddha? How do you know? Or some person is speaking something, you are listening, and give a faith. Oh, he is old man, he is senior, something.
Parents, teacher.
That's like this. That is called the Lokik Shraddha. Or another is called Paramarthik Shraddha, spiritual faith. The spiritual faith actually is coming this way. And if I do bhajan and sadhana to Krishna, then my life will be successful. Because that time you think. In many lives I enjoyed all kinds of sense gratifications. I am never satisfied. Kamadinam kadita palita durnidesa tesang jatame natrupa no uposhanti. Last anger, they never happy with me. Then I followed all their instruction, but they never happy with me. Last anger, enviousness. Are you angry with someone? आप क्रोध आती है? किसके ऊपर क्रोध आती है?
बेटी
बेटी पर बेटी। अरे अपने पर भी क्रोध आती है। हमारे पर भी क्रोध आती है। इसके ऊपर इसके ऊपर क्रोध आ जाता है।
Be angry to on yourself.
क्रोध। That means you followed the instruction of your anger. You completely slave of your anger, but your anger is never satisfied with you. You completely slave. And they are bitterly beating. क्या बोलते हैं? Whipping. But they are not happy. You followed their all the instruction. You are following the instruction of lust, anger, enviousness, jealousy, but they are not satisfied. So kamadinam katita palita durnidesa tasang jatam natrupa no posanti. They are complete shameless, nilajya, and they are not happy with me. I followed all their rules and instruction, but they are not happy with me. Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sachinandana Gaur Hari, please give me shelter unto lotus feet now. This is the thing. So when you will think these things, in this life I will do bhajan and sadhan, to Guru and Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this type of feeling will come in. This life, I must do bhajan and sadhana. If my body cut in pieces, and I will never give up Harinam, I will never give up Guru and Krishna. I will never give up. Even Krishna Nam. These types of faith, understand? That is called the perfect sadhu sangha. This thing. This thing. So that is called Paramarthiki Shraddha on faith. Then another also Shraddha I tell you, that is called Atantiki Shraddha. Atantiki Shraddha means any circumstance, I will never derail from bhakti. I do bhajan and sadhana. Atantiki Shraddha. From faith. If you do bhajan and sadhana, many persons also disturb your mind. They try to pull down to you. But you have to from faith, do bhajan and sadhana. Faith with Guru and Krishna and Shastra. Sadhu, Guru, Shastra, Vakka, Chittataye Koriya Vaikka, Arna Koriha, Mane, Asa. Prem Bhakti Chandrika. Sadhu Vakka, the instruction of Sadhu, the instruction of Guru, or the instruction of Shastra, scriptures. This is your hope only. Sadhu, Guru, Shastra, Vakka, Chittataye Koriya Vaikka, Arna Koriha, Mane, Asa. No any other hope. Only instruction of Guru or instruction of Shastra, instruction of Vaishnava. Bhajan and sadhana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And especially in this Kali Yuga, always remember to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaur Sundar. Because Gaur Sundar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is the embodiment of magnificent and magnanimous. Any circumstance, you remember to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaur Sundar. Always remember. Manare kahana Gaura Katha, Manare kahana Gaura Katha. আমার গৌরের নাম আমি আরাধাম পিরিতে মূরতি দাতা শয়নে গৌরা সপনে গৌরা গৌরা নয়নের তারা জীবনে গৌরা মরণে গৌরা গৌরা কল্যাণ হারা Narahari Sarkar. He sang this song. Man re kahana gaura katha. O mind, always you glorify the sweet pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaura katha. We say man re kahana gaura katha. Gaurira Nam, the name of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as like the sweet ocean of the nectar. Amrit. Gaurira Nam, Amrit, Ami Aradham. Amiya means Amrit, the nectar of sweet abode of love. Amiya Dham. Amiya means Amrit. Amrit means nectar. All the source of nectar coming from the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaura Katha, Gaura Nam. Gaura Nam, Amiya Dham. Sayane Gaura, Sapane Gaura. When you sleep, remember to Gaur Sundar. When you dream, also Gaura Sundar. Sayane Gaura, Sapane Gaura. Gaura Nayaner Tara. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mane Gaur Sundar. He is the people of my eyes. And I not do anything. Wherever I look, I will see everywhere again. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaura, 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 Gaura. So always remember to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaura Sundari ki. Hello, Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Bhari. Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Bhari. Nityananda Prana Dhana Nadiya Bihari. Nityananda Prana Dhana Nadiya Bihari. Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Bhari. Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Bhari. Nityananda
Nandya Bihari.
Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Bhoja.
Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hari.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. अच्छा चल जाना है हाँ we'll go
Bhaktivinoda Maharaj ki jai, Gurudev ki jai, Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki jai, Rajan Rasya ki jai.
Gurudev, there's one question. How can you get rid of aparad, utha anartha?
how many types of aparad I told how many types of aparad
4.
what is that
Nam aparad,
Nam aparad, seva aparad,
Seva aparad, Vaishnava aparad. Yeah, but every time we're serving Guru Vaishnava, we're always making mistakes. And,
Pray. And every time mistakes when you first start to walk many times you fall down you forgot you ask your mother first you start to walk just touch the wall fall down again touch the wall again fall down so in this way so but you have to do again and again should not commit offense you have to repent it and again not do the same what is called same mistake one time is okay but every time doing mistake that means you are joking or
Not serious.
not serious taking serious mistake is one thing I forget sorry this one time sorry but again same this sorry English word very sweet word sorry okay sorry one time but again same mistake the second time sorry means you are joking or not getting the serious yeah sorry good